Hello and welcome to YVT Studios, the newest and best video podcast studios in Kent, maybe even the world, in our opinion. This is Studio One. Studio One is set up currently as a snug. You've got your own backdrops that you can set up. We've got the professional lights, microphones and some comfy chairs for you and your guests to sit down on and have one of those wonderful chats. Here we have plenty of space in our corridors so you can get easy access all the way around. You've got a little waiting area if you have guests who are coming and you want them to have a nice relaxing space, which is easily accessible to the kitchen. In the kitchen, you've got everything you need to warm up your lunch, make some toast, do yourself some teas and coffees, and you've got milk in the fridge. As I said, this is an accessible building, which means we have a disabled toilet, but you don't really need to see that. Then we come into studio number 2. We set this one up as a boardroom so you can have those nice business conversational podcasts. Do remember, these spaces are adaptable. You can change them to suit what you want. If you want this room to be a snug, of course, we'll just set it up for you so it is a snug. Coming into the final room, this room you're not allowed in. That room is the editing room. This is where Rachel and I will be working. We will be creating content for people once you finish recording and sharing all that content for you, however you need it shared. The space is available to hire as an hourly rate, a half day, full day, or we can provide a fully done for you service. If you want to find out more, contact us at ben@yourvideoteam.co.uk or you can visit the website yourvideoteam.co.uk. But until then, I'll just say, love you, bye.